guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will be seeing how to create this model by using these dimensions given over here to make a 3D model. So as you can see the name Revolve and PCD. PCD stands for pitch, circle, diameter. So let's get started. I will select new, standard mm and hit on create as usual. I will select the revolve command and I will select the plane. You can see that in revolve I told you take half section and you can proceed. So you can say, see, this is 75, the whole length is 150 mm and this is 75 mm. Okay, so let's get started. So I will draw a line 37.5 and then I will go on by extending it to 100. Then again I will draw a 37.5 line again and then next draw it to 40 mm, then again 20 mm, oh I'm so sorry, this is 37.5 only. Then I will take a line, I will draw up to 20 mm and then I will close it 37.5 and I will drag it down and close the figure. You can see 37.5. This height is 20 mm. You can see here this height is 20 mm. This is 37.5 and 37.5. As I have closed, you can see fully constrained over here. I click finish sketch and you can see it asks for the axis. I will select the axis and 360 and this is ready. You can select measure and see this is 75. You know that this is 75. Then again select measure and I'll select this. You can see this is showing 150 this diameter. Okay, so our basic model is ready. Now you can see that it contains chamfer and fillets that we will be doing it later. But first let us come to the side view. From this angle it is side view. If you take it in the vertical way, it will be top view. If you see in the side view, there is something called as PC5115. What is PC? This is pitch circle. Phi is the representation for diameter. So PC5115. So it is also called as PCD, pitch circle diameter. So how we will do that? I will first select the top plane over here, top face over here, hit on sketch, and then I will take a circle, and you know the diameter is 115. I will locate the center point. I will draw 115. Okay. Now I will place. You can see that there are 4 holes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will just go here and I will place the points in this corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but still this is in blue color. 4 dimensions are needed. So I will give horizontal and vertical constraints. Horizontal constraints at first and vertical constraints. Still 2 dimensions are needed. I will give this overall length, that is 115, and you can see this two lengths I will give, that is 115, and you can see that our sketch is fully constrained. Okay, I will just click this. I will make this as construction line, as we don't need this line, this circle, so I will make it construction. Now we have got our 4 hole points here. I will hit on finish sketch and I will go to hole. In hole we have simple hole. This is simple hole. I will select simple hole and I will select the contour bore option, and you have this parameters that you have to give. Now it says phi 6.6 through. Okay, so phi is this one, so this I will give as 6.6, and contour bore is 15 mm. I will just select 15. I will type this thing, and the depth of this is the depth of 8 mm. 8 mm, the contour bore of 15 and depth of thing, and this is through hole. I will click OK. You can see that it has been made. Correct? It is done. Now we have one more hole over here, but you can see that this hole is different. This means that this is a threaded hole, which means it has internal threads present in it. So I'll just go to our sketch, select the face, and it is in center, so I just have to place one point in the center. That's it. You can see fully constrained. There is no need to give any dimensions. Finish sketch, and you can select hole again. Now in hole you have, it is a threaded hole, so I'll just select tabbed hole, and there is no seat, so it is none. Now we have unified. These are the thread types. So since we are using isometric, I will use isometric profile, and you can see the hole is M20 cross 2.5. So go to M20. You can see here 20, M20 cross 2.5. 6H is the class, and you have through hole, which we don't need. As you can see, the depth is mentioned here as 70 mm. I'll just go, I will select this distance, I will select 70. I'll enter 70 and I will hit on OK. Now you can see that our threaded hole has been made. So everything is done. Now only remaining thing which we have is the chamfers and fillets. So let's finish the chamfers first. You can see it is typical, which means I have told in the previous video as well. It means that this view is same, this dimension is same for all the chamfers that is present in the view. So it is 3 cross 45. So I will just go to chamfer. I will select this edge, and this edge. As you can see, only those three have 1, 2, 3. That edge, and I will give the chamfer distance as 3. Apply. It is done. Now for the last operation, we have 3 fillets. 1, on this surface, 2 on this surface bottom, and 1 here. So go to fillet, 1, 2 and 3, and what is the fillet? R3. So I will just select, I'll just type 3 over here and I will give OK. So you have your model ready over here, as you can see. So it is very easy to use the revolve command or revolution command to create our part. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope this is helpful for you, and I request you to kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.